Buckle up for a discovery that could rewrite history. Deep beneath the Madura Strait off Indonesia's coast, sand miners stumbled upon something extraordinary. Evidence of a lost world, not just a few old pots, but an entire landscape where our ancestors lived. Now submerged, this find is like uncovering a hidden chapter in humanity's story. Initial reports seemed unbelievable, but evidence piled up: bones, tools, sediment layers. This wasn't random, it was a snapshot of prehistoric life. The Madura Strait discovery is a game changer, pushing back the timeline of human presence. It reveals the ingenuity and resilience of early humans who thrived and adapted. Thanks to this find, we glimpse a world swallowed by the sea, leaving clues for us to find. Who were these ancient people? What stories do these submerged ruins tell us about our distant ancestors? Evidence points to Homo erectus, an ancient species that roamed the earth long before modern humans. Not modern humans, but an earlier species that walked upright, showcasing a significant leap in our evolutionary journey. They were pioneers, some of the first hominins to leave Africa, spreading across Asia and adapting to new environments. Discovering a Homo erectus skull fragment here is like finding a golden ticket to the past, offering a rare glimpse into their world. It helps us understand their migration patterns and settlement areas now underwater, revealing how they adapted to changing landscapes. These weren't simple beings. They were intelligent, adaptable, tool-making hunters who thrived in diverse environments. This find adds a crucial piece to the puzzle of human evolution, helping us trace the lineage of our own species. Homo erectus lived from 2 million to possibly 100,000 years ago, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They were a successful species, forming communities and developing social structures that laid the groundwork for future human societies. Sites like Madura Strait provide tangible evidence and real answers, bridging the gap between myth and reality. Imagine these early humans facing challenges we can barely comprehend, yet persisting through sheer will and ingenuity. This discovery honors their legacy, bringing their story back to life and reminding us of the incredible journey of human evolution. Each artifact, each fragment, tells a story of survival, innovation, and the unyielding spirit of Homo erectus. Modern archaeologists continue to uncover these stories, piecing together the lives of our ancient ancestors, one discovery at a time. Through art and science, we reconstruct their world, celebrating the enduring legacy of Homo erectus and their contributions to our shared history. Let's talk about where this hidden city was located. Imagine a time when the world was vastly different, a time when entire continents existed that are now lost beneath the waves. Once part of Sundaland, a prehistoric continent, now submerged. This landmass was a bridge between the islands and the mainland, a crucial link in the chain of human history. During ice ages, sea levels were lower, exposing vast coastal plains. These plains were fertile grounds for early human settlements, teeming with life and resources. Sundaland connected Southeast Asia with islands like Java and Sumatra. This connection facilitated the movement of people, animals, and plants, creating a rich tapestry of biodiversity and culture. It was a massive, life-teeming area, a true lost world. Imagine dense jungles, sprawling savannas, and rivers teeming with fish, all bustling with life. As glaciers melted, sea levels rose, submerging large parts, including this settlement. The rising waters swallowed entire landscapes, erasing them from the surface but preserving their secrets underwater. The Madura Strait evidence is direct proof of life on Sundaland. Divers and archaeologists have uncovered artifacts that tell stories of a vibrant community, not just scattered bones, but a place where people lived, a settlement. These ruins reveal the daily lives of our ancestors, their tools, their homes, and their way of life. Perhaps a seasonal camp or something more permanent. The evidence suggests a complex society that adapted to changing environments and thrived in this prehistoric paradise. The animal fossils found here paint a vivid picture of a dynamic environment. These fossils are not just remnants of the past, but clues to the ecosystem that supported early human life. Elephants, tigers, deer, and more roamed Sundaland alongside Homo erectus. This coexistence highlights the rich biodiversity that once flourished here. Understanding Sundaland is key to understanding human migration in this region. The submerged continent holds answers to questions about our ancestors' journeys, their challenges, and their triumphs. How did Homo erectus survive in Sundaland? The fossils give us clues. Some animal bones show cut marks made by stone tools, evidence of butchery. These early humans were hunters or effective scavengers, processing animal carcasses. Imagine a group of Homo erectus working together to bring down or butcher a large animal. They used sharp-edged stones, revolutionary tools for their time. These tools allowed access to rich protein and fat sources, essential for survival. The types of animals they hunted suggest sophisticated strategies and cooperation. Homo erectus actively shaped their existence, problem-solving and adapting. The cut marks whisper stories of daily life, the struggle for food, and skills passed down. The Madura Strait evidence adds to our understanding of their capabilities. From seabed to science, uncovering the sunken past. The journey of these fossils began with local sand miners dredging the Madura Strait. They pulled up unusual old bones, sparking scientific interest. Archaeologists and paleontologists saw the potential and got involved. Excavating an underwater site is complex, requiring specialized techniques. Divers carefully map the site, recording every find meticulously. Each bone and tool is a piece of the puzzle, with sediment layers holding crucial context. Once recovered, the real work begins in the lab, cleaning, stabilizing, and identifying fossils. Every detail matters in unlocking the secrets of sites like this. From the sea's depths to the forefront of science, it's an incredible journey of discovery. Cracking the code: how we date ancient secrets. How do we know this site is 140,000 years old? It's high-tech science. One key method is studying sediment layers like a layer cake of history. Techniques like optically stimulated luminescence, OSL, provide precision. OSL dating tells us when sediments were last exposed to sunlight. Grains absorb radiation over time, trapping energy when buried. In the lab, light exposure releases this energy, allowing age calculation. The sediments encasing the fossils dated back to 140,000 years ago. This precise dating is crucial, confirming Homo erectus thrived in Sundaland. A prehistoric safari, the amazing animals of Sundaland. The fossils found alongside Homo erectus remains reveal a prehistoric party. Imagine ancient elephants like the stegodon, massive beasts with long tusks. Ancient buffalo and deer formed large herds, vital to the ecosystem. Finding bones with cut marks shows early humans interacted with these animals. Prehistoric tigers roamed, making life for Homo erectus challenging. The animal fossils help us understand the dynamic relationship between hunter and hunted. They also help reconstruct the environment, offering clues about habitats. By studying these communities, scientists paint a richer picture of Sundaland. Life on the Lost Continent, reimagining a bygone era. What was life like on Sundaland 140,000 years ago? We can start to imagine. Picture a vast tropical landscape with sprawling river systems and dense rainforests. Homo erectus lived in small, possibly nomadic groups, following animal herds. Their settlements, like Madura Strait, were base camps near fresh water. Safety from predators was a major concern. They likely used fire for protection. Daily life focused on survival, finding food, making tools, and passing on knowledge. They were skilled observers of nature, understanding plants and animal behavior. Their world was sensory-rich, full of sounds and smells we can only guess at. This wasn't an easy life, but it was successful, showing resilience and adaptation. Sunken treasures, the future of exploring our human story. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet, the ocean floor becomes a new frontier, teeming with untold stories and hidden treasures. The Madura Strait discovery opens a new frontier in our search for origins. This region, rich in history and culture, now offers a glimpse into the lives of our ancestors, who once thrived along these ancient coastlines. Submerged landscapes, once coastal, are now underwater, holding secrets. These ancient ruins, preserved beneath the waves, tell tales of civilizations long forgotten, waiting to be uncovered by modern explorers. Coastal regions were prime real estate for early humans, rich in resources. These areas provided food, shelter, and trade opportunities, making them ideal for early settlements and the development of complex societies. What else is out there? The vastness of the ocean holds countless mysteries, and each expedition brings us closer to understanding our past. How many other Sundalands await discovery? The submerged lands of Sundaland are just one example of the many potential archaeological sites hidden beneath the sea. This find proves these sites can be preserved and found, calling for action. The preservation of these underwater sites is crucial for piecing together the puzzle of human history. Underwater exploration technology is improving, with better sonar and ROVs. These advancements allow us to explore deeper and more accurately, revealing secrets that were once out of reach. It's challenging and expensive work, but the rewards are immense. The dedication and expertise of marine archaeologists are essential in uncovering these hidden treasures and bringing them to light. The chance to rewrite human history and fill gaps in our family tree is a powerful motivator. Each discovery adds a new chapter to our collective story, enriching our understanding of who we are and where we come from. The Madura Strait site is a beacon, highlighting the potential of underwater archaeology. This site serves as a reminder of the vast, untapped potential that lies beneath the waves, waiting to be explored. The next big discovery about our ancient past might be waiting at the sea's bottom. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, who knows what incredible